Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders, where we explore the most exciting vehicles redefining the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 VinFast VF7, a sleek and modern electric SUV that showcases VinFast's growing expertise in blending futuristic design, innovative technology, and environmental consciousness. Let's break down why this EV is turning heads in the market. The exterior of the 2025 VinFast VF7 is both bold and aerodynamic. The illuminated VinFast logo takes center stage on the front fascia, flanked by sharp LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the grille. Its sloping roofline adds a sporty, coupe-like silhouette, while flush door handles and sculpted side panels enhance its premium appeal. The rear design features connected LED taillights and a roof-mounted spoiler, giving the VF7 a modern and aggressive finish. Riding on 20-inch alloy wheels, this SUV commands attention on every street. Step into the interior, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes sophistication and practicality. Designed with premium, eco-friendly materials, it offers comfortable seating for five, with ample legroom and headroom. The minimalist dashboard centers around a large touchscreen infotainment system featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and VinFast's custom software. A fully digital driver display adds to the futuristic vibe, while ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof elevate the luxury. The spacious cargo area and versatile layout make it ideal for daily commutes and long road trips alike. Under the hood, the performance of the VF7 is powered by either a single-motor front-wheel drive or a dual-motor all-wheel drive system. The latter delivers 402 horsepower, ensuring swift acceleration and excellent handling. The VF7 boasts a range of up to 450 kilometers on a single charge, supported by DC fast charging that restores 80% battery in just 30 minutes. Its smooth, silent ride and agile dynamics make it a standout performer, whether in the city or on highways. Safety is a strong point for the 2025 VinFast VF7, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera, parking sensors, multiple airbags, and a reinforced structure ensure top-tier safety for passengers. What makes the VF7 stand out is its unique selling points, including a futuristic design, sustainable construction, impressive performance, and competitive pricing. Starting at an estimated $40,000, it's an attractive option for those seeking an advanced yet accessible electric SUV. In conclusion, the 2025 VinFast VF7 is a stylish, eco-conscious, and tech-driven SUV designed for the modern driver. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wheelhouse Wonders. Until next time, drive smart and stay stylish.